Punters and politicians are in agreement. Something needs to be done about the big four banks. Today, Westpac announced its annual results, posting a $6 billion profit. For angry consumers, it just added salt to the wound. They're already fuming about rising interest rates on home loans. Only yesterday, the Commonwealth Bank put its rates up by nearly double the official rise. And now both sides of politics are demanding action. Chief Political Reporter Mark Simpkin reports.
The Commonwealth Bank isn't talking, but its furious customers are. You could call it rate rage.
It's bullshit. It's too hard to pay.
I think it sucks, actually.
I am very angry. It's just disgusting the way they've done it all.
Some called for the bank to be renationalised. Others took aim at its $16 million man, CEO Ralph Norris.
If you're going to stump up $300,000 a week to your chief executive, where else are you going to find the money?
I think it's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
I hate bank profits. I hate the banks.
Those bank profits keep piling up. Between them, the big four have now broken through the $20 billion mark. Westpac's contribution, more than $6 billion, an 84% increase.
It is a very competitive environment. It's a strong industry. We have healthy and professional industry relationships.
Westpac won't say if it'll match the Commonwealth's supersized rate rise, but it did echo the complaints about funding pressures.
I think what we need is some really, cool heads and some quiet conversation to actually better explain how the world has structurally changed and that it won't go back to where it was before.
Cool heads? Not likely. Politicians lined up to talk tough.
Instead of giving us the four-pillar policy, the banks have given us the four middle-finger approach.
The banks should not underestimate for one moment the determination of this government to put in place a range of reforms which will make the system more competitive.
Those reforms won't be unveiled until next month. The opposition's demanding immediate action.
Don't be conned by this government. They are lying through their teeth. And I'm sorry to say it, but it's the truth.
For all their furious disagreement and competing plans, the government and opposition basically agree. The competition watchdog should be given extra power and smaller lenders should be encouraged. Mark Simpkin, ABC News, Canberra.